Emergencies can strike at any moment. Are you prepared for them? Emergency preparedness is key to protecting lives and property. It involves planning for various crisis situations. First, let's identify potential emergency situations. These can include natural disasters, fires, medical emergencies, and pandemics. Next, we move to emergency response planning. Every organization must create an emergency response plan. This plan outlines procedures for different scenarios. Each plan should include roles for staff members. Clear communication is essential during emergencies. Designate a contact person for updates and instructions. Now, let's discuss the testing and review procedures. Regular drills are vital for readiness. Conduct these drills at least twice a year. After drills, gather feedback from participants. Use this information to improve your plan. For an example, consider a fire drill at a school. Students practice evacuating calmly. Teachers guide them to safety, ensuring no one is left behind. This practice saves lives in actual emergencies. In summary, emergency preparedness involves identifying risks, creating a response plan, and regularly testing procedures. Always encourage open communication and continuous improvement. Remember, preparation can save lives. Assess your own readiness today. Start planning and take action. In the next lesson we will discuss environmental aspects management. Stay connected with us. Thank you.